કેમ છો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો? આજે આ વિડીયોમાં આપણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th ના ઇંગ્લિશ સબ્જેક્ટના ધ હ્યુમન રોબોટ્સ યુનિટમાં જે રાઇટિંગ પોર્શન આપેલો છે તેનું સોલ્યુશન કરવાના છીએ. ફર્સ્ટ આપેલું છે રાઇટ અ પેરેગ્રાફ ઓન માય ડ્રીમ રોબોટ ઓર માય ડિયર રોબુ. યુ મે યુઝ ધીસ પોઈન્ટ. અહીંયા પોઈન્ટ આપ્યા છે તેનો ઉપયોગ કરીને લખી શકો છો તમે. તો અહીંયા નમૂના રૂપ આપેલું છે કે માય ડ્રીમ રોબોટ. I have always been interested in technology. Technology has made our lives so simple and so easy. I often think of robot that would help me with all my work. My dream robot, I would name him Mitra, a friend. Mitra would be of metallic blue color. He would have arms that could stretch for a long distance, at least 2 feet. Mitra would be programmed to do all the household work, dusting, sweeping, cooking, washing, clothes, ironing, repairing electrical and electronic appliances, etc. In short, Mitra would be my best friend. I would not have to depend on my outsider for any work. Mitra would also do my homework and check it as well. He would help with all my subjects. He would be able to solve all my difficulties too. My dream robot, Mitra, would also play my favorite games with me. We would take care of all my needs and comfort. But one special quality Mitra would have is emotions and feelings. He would not just be a machine, but a machine with a heart. Mitra would be my pride. સેકન્ડ આપેલું છે કે તમારે 75 શબ્દમાં વોશિંગ મશીન, ગ્રાઇન્ડર મશીન કે રોટી મેકર કેવી રીતે કામ કરે છે તેના વિશે લખવાનું છે. ત્યારબાદ થર્ડ છે તો અહીંયા રીડ ધ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન એન્ડ રાઇટ અ પેરેગ્રાફ ઓન આર્યભટ્ટ, ઇન્ડિયાઝ ફર્સ્ટ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટલ સેટેલાઇટ. ભારતના પ્રથમ ઉપગ્રહ આર્યભટ્ટ વિશે લખવાનું છે. તો આ મુદ્દાનો ઉપયોગ કરીને આપણે લખીએ કે આર્યભટ્ટ was India's first experimental satellite. It was built by Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. It weighed 360 kilograms and it cost more than 3 crore. It was launched by Soviet Interkosmos rocket on April 19th, 1975. Aryabhat was named after the 5th century astronomer and mathematician Aryabhat. This name was given by the then Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi. The satellite re-entered the Earth's atmosphere after 70 years. The image of this satellite was printed on the 2 rupee currency note printed between 1976 and 1977. The main objective in launching this satellite were to design and make space-worthy satellite system and to establish infrastructure for the fabrication of spacecraft system. The satellite was used to set up ground-based receiving, transmitting, and tracking systems. It conducted many investigations in the area of space science. It was also used to broadcast weather report, which was very useful for farmers. Aryabhat was used to set up stations required to communicate. अन्य वीडियोની અપડેટ મળતી રહે એટલા માટે ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરશો. થેન્ક યુ.